My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove fake Windows firewall protection alerts coming from the random website. There is no point for me to quote this random website because it is random, and today or tomorrow it may be substituted by some other random website. But these are fake Windows firewall protection alerts that use a fake Windows support number, which is 866-571-1132. This is a fake Windows support number. If you see these pop-ups, keep in mind that they are not related to Windows or Microsoft. And all these pop-ups are absolutely deceptive and faulty. They try to make people call this fake Windows support number, 866-571-1132. And when people mistakenly call this fake Windows support number, they will hear some online hackers who will try to connect to the computer remotely. And then these hackers may try to infect your system even more considerably, and then to demand money from the victims to get it fixed, supposedly. But you should not trust these fake Windows firewall protection alerts, and do not call this fake Windows support number. Such pop-ups, of course, may be the result of certain adware in your computer. We recommend you to carefully research the control panel, and if you find anything suspicious here, of course, don't hesitate to uninstall any suspicious programs if you detect them. Also, we recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and start researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.